Did you know that nature can build its own bridges? Watch how an ancient sandy path connected an entire Australian island to the mainland. Just off Tasmania's coast, Bruny Island was once completely separated from the mainland. But over thousands of years, ocean waves carried countless grains of sand along the coast through a process called Longshore Drift. Like a patient architect, the sea gradually deposited these sediments, forming a natural bridge known as an isthmus. This remarkable process transformed the geography of the region, creating a permanent land connection between Bruny Island and the mainland. The formation of this natural bridge demonstrates Earth's incredible power to reshape landscapes. As waves continuously moved sand particles along the coastline, they built up this narrow strip of land, grain by grain, showcasing one of nature's most fascinating engineering projects. What other amazing landforms do you think the ocean has created around the world? Share your thoughts below.